Wanna know how to find and adjust memories on Facebook? Well, let me guide you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find Facebook memories and how you can change or adjust the settings. Now it's quite easy and quite simple, so let me get you through it. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the app and log into your ID. You'll get an interface like this. Now simply you'll get a search bar at the top of your screen just beside the messaging icon. You can see on the top right corner of my screen here. Tap on search, and what you want to do is search for memories. You can see I've already searched for it here. Now if you just search for memories, you'll get the option memories and browse your old posts. Now open this up and you'll head into memories. Now the other way around, if you can't get it in your search option, is tap on the three-line icon that you can find just below the messaging icon, and once here if you scroll down you'll find the option memories. Now open it up, tap on it, and you'll get the settings icon at the corner of your screen. Now tap on it, and here you'll be able to find memory settings. So this way you can find memory settings. Now to adjust and change them, you can change it through here. You can see the notification options. You can choose how often you want to be notified about your memories. Now you can set it to all memories by tapping on it. You can set it to highlights, or you can set it to none. Now make sure that the blue tick is on the option that you want to choose. Now the second option here is hide memories. You can hide memories certain people if you want. You can search their name and you can block them and hide it from them, or you can search or hide memories for specific time through here. So this way you can find and edit or change or adjust memory settings on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.